ETH, we start with 1 hour forward chart. Just want to give a quick update. And if you refer to our analysis in my last video, I mentioned we need to see the breakout of the 4570, because we mentioned we can expect this one turn to a correction relative to this for the next drop, because what we got here was really sharp, and exactly this is what we get here. Anyway, now we want to see what's the next, because the price even broke the previous low. Now we see we get the correction. Now we want to see whether this one can turn to a more complex correction or not, because what we get here, most of the chart, even the Bitcoin we get, and for the Bitcoin, it was already clear that price is going to drop. And since, when the Bitcoin drop, the rest mostly follow, right? Anyway, we move to daily chart. And what we can see based on daily chart, the price dropped to 4030. It couldn't break. And we mentioned with the breakout of 4030, we can expect even the price drop to 3750. Now, we want to see what's the next, whether we should look for the reversal or not, right? And there are one things I need to highlight, because if we refer to our analysis, we mentioned we can put this one in relative to this for this flat for next move, right? That's why we need to be aware. If the price couldn't reverse from here, the possibility for the price to drop to 3750 is very high. But as we know, we're looking for the reversal. That means if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it. And if we move to forward chart, now the question is, whenever we get this kind of the sharp move following by the correction, mostly we can expect the price to go as one more drop. And the next drop, what I'm looking for is 3750. All right. Now, whether we should look for sell or buy, we are not really interested to look for sell. For me, the only times I will look for sell if the price tag 4.2, if there is no continuation, then from there I will look for sell. All right. And right now, can we put this one in relative to this for the next move? Because we have been looking for reversal, we have been looking for buy, but technically and based on the experience, whenever we get this kind of the move, any reversal can be a short-term buy, any trade for buy, because the possibility for the price to reverse from here is very low. That means we can expect the price consolidate here before we get the reversal, which the price can retest the previous stop. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we consider as a short term. And based on forward chart, if you put this low in relative to the previous one, we see we have a divergence. Okay, that's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we'll take it. And based on forward chart, I don't see any trade setup. And if I move to 1 hour chart, now what we should look for, whether we put this one in relative to this for the next move, even if we want to look for the next move, I don't think we can get a really good trade within this one. That's why if we want to look for buy, in case this is the start of the up move, we prefer to see the breakout of this correction as a short move. Then from there, we look for the next trade as a buy. All right. Whoever get the trade for buy from here right now, move their stop loss to break even. Even if anyone wants to look for buy from here as a flag, they should consider it is a short-term trade with the breakout of the previous top. They have to move their stop loss to break even. Then at this point, we don't see any trade setup for buy. We have to wait. If the price couldn't break the previous top, then from there we can look for sell. But if the price could break, then after the breakout, then we see whether we can look for the next trade or not. But at this point, we have to wait. Even if the price continue as a sharp move, I don't think we can get really good trade. That's why we see if we get a flag here, we can look for the buy, but it's not really good trade. It's really short term. All right. Then we prefer to wait. And then from there, if you get any opportunity for buy, I will share. Thanks.